Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are
Roberto
and I'm Magdalena, and today we're going to show you a very elegant bachata sensual intermediate figure using hip roll, slide and another very catchy figure. Let's go!
Pero podré vivir con la culpa de que al menos una vez más te volví a probar. Tu boca no pierde sabor a caramelo. Nos dejamos quemar. Tú eres mi bandolera, yo soy tu bandolero. Te volví a probar. Tu boca no pierde sabor a caramelo. Nos dejamos quemar. Tú eres mi bandolera, yo soy tu bandolero. Esa boquita tan dulce, sabor a caramelo. Ella es un ángel, pero se la tenta caliente el fuego. Siempre alta, no necesita vuelo. A nadie le cuenta, come que la consuelo. Ella es muy atractiva, prende de la sativa. Siempre provocativa, soltera vive la vida. Entra que baña, que se ve bien explosiva. Todos los domingos poco, la cumbia de la me mata.
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the open position and we're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3, 4 we prepare the turn of the lady, so make sure to create a circular motion and bring the hand up to prepare it. But also this one goes a little bit high as well, so it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do a turn with both hands over her head in 5, 6. And now on 7, guys, when we are on 7, we do our basic, and this one, we do 7. So this hand, our left hand goes up, and the right hand goes down to our biceps. So we go on 6 and 7. Now on 8, we stop this hand, having this hand, and we grab it from the bottom. So let's do it this one more time. We go into the basic, and 1, 2, prepare the turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are tapping on 8 with our foot, and we are again in the normal position, but a little bit weird. Now on 1, guys, let's do it first without the basic. We go 1, 2, 3, tap. So we are creating kind of like a circular motion a little bit from here, going inside, out, and when we are out, we throw her hand to the back. So 3, tap. And with this one, we don't do anything special. It's just here over, and we go 1, 2, 3, tap. So let's try it with the basic now. We are right in this position. Let's do it again in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we are in this position, guys, make sure to have here good tension, and also that her hips are out, because we are preparing this way, out and a little bit back for the hip roll. Now, if you don't know how to do a hip roll or to lead a hip roll correctly, make sure to check out this video. And now, we are both tapping over here, and we lead the hip roll in 5, 6. And before closing on 7, 8 like this normally, we stay here, and from here, we have our weight in this leg and in this leg, and from here we will guide a slide with a hip movement. So we create a motion in a circular motion with the hips down. So we are here in 6 and we go 7, 8. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video. So let's do this one more time with this point of view. Let's start with the hip roll, a basic and hip roll in 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the hip roll in 5, 6. And now, guys, put this hand over, and from here we push it down, down, and a little bit down as well in 7, 8. So make sure that when we are guiding this movement, the movement is done with the hips, and as a result of this, the upper body is falling. So again, hip roll in 5, 6, hips and over 7, 8. Very good. So now let's turn the lady right away by going 1 and stopping her over here so that she knows that she's not doing the normal basic in that direction, and do a turn in 2, 3, and tap. So guys, we continue with our basic step. Let's show the movement from this point of view. We are here tapping both in A. We open and prepare the turn, stop her here and turn her right away in 2, 3, tap. And guys, now comes the tricky part for this part of the movement. Make sure to first have the connection, have the hands this way. When we have the hands this way, we have tension in our body. So we bring the lady up and back by raising the arms like this. And since we have connection, her upper body should react that way as well. So it goes like 5. And now we open the arms and start bringing them down in a circular motion in 6, 7. We start bringing her up like this with tension here and pushing her up, giving her support in 7 and tapping on 8 when we both arrive in the same position. So let's try it one more time. Let's go into the basic first, for example, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And guys, for us, we don't do our basic anymore because it would be a little bit weird if she's staying in place doing the movement and we are walking that way. So we just open our legs. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. We open and have stability as well. And 5, 6. We close in 7 and change the weight in 8. And go into the basic. And for the followers, in order to do this movement correctly, make sure when we go into the basic here, 1, 2, 3, 4, when we start the movement, the upper body is falling a little bit backwards because the hips are going to the front. So in 5, the hips are going forwards, the upper body is going up. And now slowly, the hips are going backwards and the upper body is going forwards until this position. And now slowly, we start going back into our neutral position and we tap. Let's show everything with counting from this point of view. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, 4.
We hope this video brought value to you. Make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video.
Bye.